Let's take a look inside a free toolbox. It's obviously gone brittle with the sun, but that doesn't matter. We're looking for internal value here. And we do have a bunch of stuff in here. Vintage tin. This is for losing cars' tires. Oh, that's another car part here. Ooh, stapler, that's good. I needed one of them. Vintage telephone TV remote. A broken spark plug. A shim made out of wood. No, pliers. Screwdriver. A felt pen. Hard as a rock. Another screwdriver. Oh, that's good. Spare indicator bulbs for car. Another screwdriver. Another wooden shim. Plastic spatula. Insulated pliers. Pencil. Tiny specialty screwdriver. Saw blade. LRT. Some small screwdriver and stuff like this. Huh? Chisel, that's always good. Transformer. Huh? 5-volt output, that's universally usable. Ah, it used to belong to an old mobile phone. Wire, that's always good. Ah, rest of the spark plug. They are good. This ceramics thing is perfect glass breaker. Throw this against a tempered glass window, like from a car or something, and it immediately shatters into thousands of elements. Yeah. Oh yeah. One of them bike cycle tool keys to get the crank loose. Yeah, not bad. What's this here? Plastic part. Oh yeah. Box from the broken spark plug. Yeah, not bad. Now is everything nice and sorted.